Welcome to the coconut sugar journey from coconut tree to sugar ball, brought to you by Sweet Sapientians. We are excited to share how our signature coconut sugar, Cococos, is made. Follow us from the first cut on the coconut tree to the final crystal in your sugar ball and experience each step of this sustainable ancient craft. Let's dive in. Coconut sugar, known for its caramel-like flavor and nutritional benefits, is a natural sweetener that has gained popularity in recent years. The process of transforming the sap from coconut palm trees into the granules you find in your sugar ball is a fascinating blend of traditional techniques and sustainable practices. Here is a step-by-step look at the journey of coconut sugar from tree to table. The journey begins with the coconut palm tree, specifically the flower buds of the tree. Skilled farmers, known as tappers, climb the tall coconut palm trees to reach the flower clusters. They make precise incision on the flower bud and attach a container to collect the sap that flows out. This sap, also known as today or nira, is a sweet, translucent liquid that forms the base for coconut sugar. The sap is collected twice daily, typically in the early morning and late afternoon. Once collected, it is filtered to remove any impurities or debris. This step ensures that the sap is clean and ready for the next phase of processing. The filtered sap is then poured into large woks or kettles and heated over a controlled flame. This heating process is crucial as it evaporates the water contained in the sap, thickening it into a syrup. The sap needs to be continuously stirred to prevent burning and to ensure even caramelization. Once the sap has thickened into a rich caramel-like syrup, it is removed from the heat and allowed to cool. As it cools, it begins to crystallize. The cooling process is often aided by continuous stirring, which helps in forming sugar granules. The crystallized syrup is then ground into small granules to create the familiar texture of coconut sugar. In some cases, the sugar might go through additional drying processes to remove any remaining moisture, ensuring a longer shelf life. Finally, the dried and ground coconut sugar is packaged for distribution. It is often sold in bulk, in jars, or in resellable bags to maintain its freshness. Packaging is typically done in a way that minimizes environmental impact, staying true to the sustainable nature of coconut sugar production. Coconut sugar production is considered more sustainable than traditional cane sugar production. Coconut palms are highly efficient, requiring less water and producing more per acre than sugarcane. Additionally, coconut trees provide multiple products such as coconuts, coconut oil, coconut water, and making them incredibly resource efficient. The journey of coconut sugar from tree to sugar ball is a testament to traditional craftsmanship and sustainable agriculture. From the careful tapping of the sap to the meticulous boiling and crystallization process, every step ensures the natural sweetness and quality of the final product. As a result, the coconut sugar not only provides a flavorful alternative to refined sugars, but also supports environmentally friendly farming practices. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel.